To make the tasty and yummy pot of oha soup prepared with fresh oha leaves and Uziza leaves, you have to make these ingredients available. The number one ingredient there is the oha leaves, which is the star of this dish, followed by Uziza leaves. Protein. When I mean protein, I mean the fish or the meat that you are using. For me, I'm using goat meat, but you can use cow meat, chicken, turkey, ice fish, just anything you feel like using for your oha soup is totally up to you. The grounded pepper, crayfish powder, grounded cocoyam, or if you are able to lay your hands on fresh cocoyam, all you need is to just cook it, pound it, or you can blend it as well. The red palm oil, but the local procedure makes use of palm kernel extract. That's the liquid extracted from the fresh palm fruit. If you are able to lay your hands on the fresh palm fruit, all you need is to just cook it, pound it, and squeeze out the liquid from it. The smoked dry fish, seasoning cubes, the stockfish, the fresh pepper, some salt, and the last one is Ogiri Igbo. This is another ingredient that makes it an authentic oha soup. If you didn't add Ogiri Igbo to your oha soup, my dear, it is not an authentic oha soup. The full ingredient list will be listed in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out, okay?